What's going on, y'all? I got a programming solution for miles per gallon. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is create a couple of variables. These are actually double variables. This one is called miles driven. I'm going to set that equal to 476 miles. And then I have another variable called gallons of gas used. I'm going to set that equal to 25 gallons of gas. And then the last variable here, I'm gonna have one called MPG, and that's gonna be set equal to the miles driven divided by the gallons of gas used. All right. Once that's there, next thing I need to do is output some information to the user. So I'm going to use a cout statement. Put a line break firstly put a line break in the statement, and then here I'm going to output the information to the user. So I'm going to say miles driven equals miles driven, and then put a line break at the end. Next set of information I need to output is the gallons of gas used. So I'll just say gallons used, and then set that equal to gallons of gas used. Put a line break there. And the last piece of information is the miles per gallon. So I'll say miles, or just say MPG equals MPG. And then put a line break and then another line break at the end. All right, that should be it. So next thing I want to do is open this up in a terminal. So over here, hovering over the file name, I'm just going to right click, open integrated terminal, and then there's a terminal down here. So to run this, I say C++, and then I'll put the file name, which is 000.cpp, hit enter, and it's going to compile it for me. So once it's compiled, then I need to run the program. And all right, here's the information right here.